Hey, Fotty, do you know the 19th letter of the alphabet?
Do I know the 19th letter of the alphabet? Do wipers go swish, swish, swish? Yes, it's S.
Will you teach me about it?
Sure thing.
S S S S S S S S S S S S S S S S S S S S S S S S S S S. Stella the snake slithered down the street. S S S S S S S S. Suddenly Stella stopped at a stop sign. S S S S S S S S. A silly skunk skated by Stella. S S S S S S S S. The skunk sprayed Stella with a stinky smell. S S S S S S S S. This is a song about the letter S. If you want to sing along, then take a big breath. S is the 19th letter of the alphabet. Let's play the S game so we don't forget.
Okay, Fotty, let me give it a try. I'm gonna sing the whole S song.
Okay, Wooby, here you go.
Stella the snake slithered down the street. Suddenly Stella stopped at a stop sign. A silly skunk skated by Stella. The skunk sprayed Stella with a stinky smell.
Wow, Wooby, that was super.
Thanks, Fotty. Now I'm gonna come up with my own S song.
Sweet.
Sarah the squirrel went sledding